Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you guys know, in this rapidly evolving digital age, businesses and brands are constantly seeking innovative ways to make an impact and stand out from the crowd. And AI, a powerful tool that has transformed various industries, is now revolutionizing logo creation. In this video, we are going to create a beautiful and stunning logos with the help of AI using Leonardo AI. If you are not familiar with Leonardo AI, I highly recommend taking a look at our video titled How to Get Early Access to Leonardo AI. It provides concise yet comprehensive instructions on creating your account and becoming an active member of the vibrant creative community. I also have a video how to use Leonardo AI, a beginner's tutorial. So you should check it all out. But now, let's not waste any time and get right into the video. So, head over to Leonardo AI. Don't worry if you are not familiar with the interface, I will explain everything in a second. Here, within our Leonardo AI dashboard, you will find an array of models at your disposal. The diverse selection offers you the flexibility to generate images according to your preferences. Should you desire a 3D animation art style, simply select the corresponding model and initiate the generation process. Then, it will redirect you to the editor space. By the way, once you log in and enter this website, you will get 150 credits, and I will show you how you can spend this. Since this video is all about creating a logo, first of all, you need to search in the search bar for logo. Or if you want anything specific, you can also search for that. As you can see, there are a lot of logos here, in which you can use the design to use. Scroll down until you see something that you like. So after that, click on it, and you can copy the prompt. Then click this one here to redirect you as to the editor space. So paste here the prompt you have copied. Then change the word according to what you need and suit what your logo is all about. Also, allow me to draw your attention to the left hand side, where an assortment of tools awaits your exploration. These tools empower you to fine-tune aspects like image dimensions, aspect ratio, guidance scale, and scheduling. Additionally, it offers features like prompt magic, photoreal, and alchemy, each with its own unique capabilities. Some of these, however, may require an upgraded plan to unlock their full potential. Having gained a solid understanding of the features and capabilities that Leonardo AI has to offer, let's now embark on a step-by-step journey through the process of creating captivating images using this exceptional platform. So, since you have done editing your prompt here, you have the opportunity to enable additional tools from the left-hand menu, including Prompt Magic, to enhance your creative process. You can fine-tune your outcomes by customizing settings like strength, contrast, and even image dimensions. Moreover, should you desire, you can introduce a negative prompt within this section to further tailor your creative results. You also have the flexibility to choose the number of prompts generated. Whether you opt for 2, 4, or 6 prompts, it's entirely up to you. I will just select 4 here. I feel like 6 or 8 is so much already. Now click the generate button to bring your creative vision to life. So this is where tokens are being diminished every time we generate images. So I suggest that you use them wisely, or consider upgrading your plan for more tokens. I know it has limits, but this is so much better since 150 is already a lot as a natural user. But if you have a business or anything that needs a lot of tokens, then I suggest that you upgrade your plan. I also have a video about it, how to upgrade your subscription in Leonardo AI, so better check it out. Now, be patient and witness the enchanting process as Leonardo AI works its magic, transforming your prompt into a distinctive image. Remember, the speed of generation may vary depending on your internet connection, so it could be faster or slower accordingly. And there you have it, you have successfully generated your first image art with Leonardo AI. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Leonardo AI can create stunning logos for your business or anywhere it needs to use for. We hope this tutorial has sparked your creative inspiration and provided you with the essential knowledge to create a logo using AI. Enjoy the artistic process, and remember, your imagination is the only limit. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.